digital crisp control technology, precision control temperature, heat source, and airflow for ultimate versatility and optimum cooking performance. 8-in-1 Versatility, the ultimate meal-making machine with 8-in-1 functionality: air fry, air roast, air broil, bake, bagel, toast, dehydrate, and keep warm all in one powerful 1800-watt appliance. Less fat, eat all of your air-fried favorites guilt-free with up to 75% less fat when using the air fry function versus traditional deep frying. Tested against hand-cut, deep-fried French fries. Faster cooking, cooks up to 60% faster than a traditional oven on air roast, 60-second preheat, full meals in as little as 20 minutes. Large capacity, 45% larger usable pan cooking area versus the flat surface area of the Cuisinart TOEIC 60 and TOEIC 65 pan. Fits a 13 pizza, up to 9 slices of toast, or 6 chicken breasts, 6 to 8 ounces each. Reclaim your counter space, takes up 50% less space when you flip it up and a way to store against your kitchen backsplash. Select toast doneness, toast and bagels done the way you like with a toast darkness selector to get it just right. Easy cleaning, includes a removable crumb tray and an easily accessible back panel for deep cleaning. What's included: countertop oven, air fry basket, sheet pan, wire rack, removable crumb tray. Top reviews from the United States. Amazing piece to add to kitchen. It's been almost 2 months now of owning and using my Ninja. I'm a huge fan of their products, so figured I'd give this a shot as well when my old air fryer gave out. Everything cooks so evenly in this, and while there is a learning curve to cook times, once you figure it out, then it's smooth sailing from there. It cooks so well that at the beginning of using this I overcooked my kids' snack foods in it. Chicken nuggets, corn dogs, pizza bites, etc. I was used to my old air fryer and having to cook so long for things to be done. I've used this for sheet pan meals, pork chops and hamburgers, all of which turned out delicious. I didn't have any issues with my air fryer smoking or making my cabinets discolored underneath like some reviews had stated. I bought disposable sheets to use in here and it's honestly made cleanup a breeze, as well as the ease of pulling out the bottom to clean the crumbs and stuff. Overall, I'm extremely happy with the purchase and feel as the money is completely justified by the performance of this. So if you're on the fence, trust me, just do it. You won't regret how easy this is to use and how well it cooks.